What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Z and Abs, the Zabs Project, and today we are
300ZX, 300ZX, 300ZX.
the 300ZX speaking, going to remove the engine, and there you go, engine crane 300ZX, engine crane 300ZX,
300ZX, engine crane.
and the engine, as you can see, is ready to be removed.
So he says, let's see.
Yep, look, everything's disconnected.
Prop shock.
Cut the front bit off as well, so easy access to.
With it.
Ignore that. That was already cut. Wasn't my fault.
Yeah, right.
There might be small niggly bits here and there that we might need to disconnect, like some of the wires or cables that we couldn't get to, or the piping behind the engine around the back. So we're going to remove it. As we remove it, we'll be taking a lot of stuff off or disconnecting. So yeah, let's remove the bonnet first.
10 mil.
Is it 10 mil?
I don't know, 10 or 12.
Oh yeah, it does look like 10 mil. Alright, let's get 10 mil and see.
Hold on. As you put the other wheel on it.
Alright, and that's the engine out. There's the engine, toolbox, and that's the gearbox. Look how dirty that is. So the next we'll be cleaning the engine and putting it into this beast of a motor over here, and that's how it looks from the back. It is disgusting. And today we're cleaning this 300ZX twin turbo engine, and obviously the product that we're going to be using is G101. Alright, after cleaning the engine, we come to notice the oil pressure sender is no longer, and it's no good. If you look at it closely, it's rotted away, and this bit here has come off. So Abs has taken this off, and we have gone to search for a new oil sender. Once that comes, we'll put it in the engine. So for now, it's a wrap for today's video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So I'm just going to do a quick voiceover. The video recording on the voice wasn't really clear, so we just got it muted. Now, to prepare this car for the engine transplant back into this car, we're just removing the front bumper, front fog lights, the front crash bar, and we've obviously prepped up the engine bay. We resprayed it black, give it a little lacquer on it to give that protection, and it's all nice and clean, looking fresh, ready for the engine to be put in. Once the engine is completely cleared and serviced, we'll put the engine in.